Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is ZESTA Herbal Soap Skincare and Lifestyle. We will be making this soap today using just 4 ingredients and yet we'll make massive profit. So now we'll be fetching our caustic 1385 grams. We are going to barkanmu da zuwa yau za mu yi sabulu da kaya hudu kadai a cikin ta. Wannan sabulun za ta ba mu riba kuma za mu ɗiba caustic 1385. 1385. Meaning is 85 is 59 now. So this 1385. So in a likewise manner, we'll be fetching our soda ash 1385, the same amount as our caustic. Ita ma soda ash namu za mu ɗiba ta kamar caustic 1385. If you just put in too much water without anything to hold the water, your soap will shrink and it won't be fine. So we are using the same 1385 for our soda ash. The soda ash will help hold the extra water we are adding to our soup. Okay, 1385. So this 1385, we've gotten our 1385. Okay, so now we'll be fetching our calcium, 2 kg of our calcium.
I'm not enjoying this.
Calcium namu kuma za mu ɗiba kilo 2. Sunana ZESTA Herbal Soap Skincare and Lifestyle. Barkanmu da zuwa channel ɗin. Baka taɓa subscribe ba ka subscribe domin yanzu zan fara yin videos kuma zan rika su da Turanci kuma da Hausa. Just fling down. Wait.
You get it too.
So you can see debris from our sieved calcium. You can see it. The calcium at times come with lumps and some debris inside. So you sieve to reduce the lumps. And also if there's any debris inside, you can see this one. So now we have melted our oils. This is a combination of palm oil and PKO. So I'm going to measure our oils now. Our molds are already prepared. You see them all. Our line molds, they are all prepared. Our caustic, our soda ash, our caustic, I've already told you the measurements. Our perfume, our calcium 2 kg, our color. Okay, so let's start. We are going to measure 9 liters of oil now. As we are measuring it, we are filtering it. Za mu ɗiba mai namu yanzu kuma man namu muna using manja da PKO man kwara. Za mu ɗiba lita guda 9 kuma za mu sa mata color da tulare a cikin sabulun nan iyakacin gwargwado da muke so. 4. Please feel free to join our online classes on Telegram. Muna da classes a Telegram amma gaskiya a Turanci ne. If you know you can listen to English or you can read English, you can join us. Our prices are very affordable and we teach everything. Soap formulation, not recipe. So in ka san za ka iya karanta Turanci, kana iya ka join din. 9. So that's our 9 liters. So we have finished measuring our oil. See the debris that we removed out of our oil. So now we'll measure our water. 3 liters and a half. 1 liter. 2 liters. 3 liters and a half. Yanzu za mu zuba caustic namu cikin ruwa lita 3.5. So we'll leave it until it clears up a bit. Mind you, my oils are at room temperature, they are not warm. My oils are not warm, they are room temperature. I'm now going to start pouring it in. Bayan ya ɗan huce kaɗan, za mu zuba ta cikin man nono mai tsaka. Use them small. Allah may know they play with this thing. How to do they shake? This is na it is na kunu they pour.
For caustic soda, they don't sell liquid soda. Liquid ingredients for liquid washing soda.
While we are mixing this, we'll start dissolving our soda ash. Okay, we are going to use 3 liters of water. 1, 2, 3. About 3.5. You can use 3, you can use 3.5. Me, I'm using 3.5. Yanzu kuma soda ash namu shi ma cikin ruwa lita 3 ko lita 3.5. So now we now pour our soda ash. Mix vigorously, or if not to form a hard mass on that. We are pouring our soda ash now. All these chemicals. Better may do a saga than one asaga wey dey go do for you. Allah. You fit dissolve am with small water again. Yanzu za mu haɗa shi cikin sabulu sai mu motsa shi sai ya zama kamar kamu. So our calcium, 2 liters.
Mom, I want to help you do soap making.
Thank you. Not today. Go and get ready. Go and rest first. Just came back from school.
I don't want to rest.
I want you to rest. No, Nyazi, no put 2. And they come. 1.5 will do, not 2 a beg.
Mommy, I'm not tired. Mommy, I'm not tired.
You're tired.
I'm not.
I beg, leave me alone. Move. A cikin calcium namu mun zuba ruwa lita 1.5 muka motsa sai muka zuba cikin sabulu. Ayo! Two and a half. What are you doing here, Amen?
This is quantitative living, and I have to show you why. I know you know that. Mommy.
Oh, Amen, leave me first. If you do like that, this book fall inside soap and your own. No. Are you sure you're the one that did it?
Yes.
That was very good.
If it's all white.
But what of that one that you're getting 0 now? You didn't show me that one, Amen.
See this Baba.
Kai, that's very beautiful. I'll come and check. I beg Amen, move first. Kai, congrats and well done, my baby boy. Give me Nyazi, Mama. Yeah, let's pour it. Yes, pour.
Mama, come on.
Yes, spatula. One of the spatula. In kun motsa shi ya haɗu sai ku dan kulle shi ku bar shi ya dan dafa kanshi kamar minti 3 ko 4 ko 5 haka sai ku fara buɗe shi kuma ku fara motsa shi. That color. Yanzu ina saka color, zaka sa duk kowane color da kake so kuma yanda kake so. Sai kuma in ka sa color ka sai ka sa kumfanka, na sa rabin lita kumfa. Ma add colors more ba sai ka sa kalare a yanda kake so. Wallahi add foam booster no even show. Abe mo na add foam booster. Like that can 500 ml. That was the Adam. I was busy turning. I'm talking. Shut up. I was busy turning soap. So add like 500 ml. Mercy. Now so you go turn up. If not, if you do it like that, you go tire on time. It's thickening. Coming thicker. Make I add color again, cool? The color never come out for me. Hold on, my bag, make I pour. So we don't tip. Go hard for us to add anything again. Sabulun ka ya gama haduwa saka zuba cikin mold naka. Hey man, come and hold this thing for me. Oh yeah, pour am. Done. Now laundry soap, you don't need plenty perfume. We are could close it and keep. Close it well low, let it not come and pour. I don't leave it like that, because I'm tired of staring. Sure, we can pour inside the mold now, huh? You can pour this inside the mold now. Because if not, it will be becoming harder and harder. It will be hard to pour inside the mold. Amen. What are you doing there? You're pouring water inside my mold. Amen. Uncle name me a song. Who can carry am turn ba? If you carry am turn now ba?
It's too plenty. Let's see here.
Okay.
You shall go again.
Udo eto. Udo ban share lo, at least go yongaji. Kan share lo ban shi off cut. Kuma na saka cutter over. Kurubawa na ajin gugunye ne na cause bubbles mami. You go learn plenty. These are things that nobody will tell you on YouTube. Sanu mama. Don't. No. Wait here. Something that you're supposed to learn. So now you're coming to tell me well done. You don't know what you used to feed tomorrow. Show my face.
Oh yeah, don't stop.
My soap don't dry, you. I want cut am. See the other one. See my herbal soap inside. My friend Nim dey inside. I go cut am too. So all of them I go cut them today. So make I start with this one. And the soap, why? Woo! The soap heavy die. Woo! I want to cut am like this. After suffering and making all this soap, if you don't have a good cutter, you're just wasting your time. You need a good cutter. This cutter will cut soap that will look as if it's blood. See as the soap dry, my finger not even gum the soap. See. Machine. You can see how smooth it is. By the time up to 4 of you are working on this table cutter, before you know it, you've gathered 10 cartons of soap.
You are doing this. You are doing the same process
in less than 30 minutes. I've had experience with so many soap cutters. If you watch my videos, you see I've used all of them. Table, sliding, all of them. This remains the best. I've seen a lot of soap cutters online. Forget about fanciful look. Forget about beautiful look. Now the one will serve you. Can I don't cut it
so that anybody will
like yankan sabulu is about
they will see your face joined for them.
You need to get this soap cutter. Just check them out. Just see. Just 2 of us. All those plenty soaps, before you know it, just within this video myself, see how we are cutting them easily. See. And I still have that big herbal soap waiting for me. Before you know, we are finished. Gaskiya is worth it. If you want this cutter, you can DM me. It's affordable. You can see. You can cut more than 15 different sizes. So, bathing, laundry, hotel. Kana son cutter wannan kuma na magana. Come and buy from me. Kakuje ku siya wurin wani o. Kakuje ku siya wurin copy. Don't go and buy from people that are doing copy. Come and buy from us. Our own is affordable. Easy to use. Oh God, just see it. How many soap you go did they pack at once? Now go there. Thank you for watching.